In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add percentage to chart in Excel. By the end, you'll know how to make your chart clearly show percentages using Excel's built-in design options, without any complicated formatting. This is quick, visual, and great for presentations or reports where the audience needs to see proportions at a glance. Start by selecting the chart you want to update. Click directly on the chart area so it has a visible border and sizing handles. When a chart is selected, the ribbon at the top of Excel changes to show chart-specific tools. If you don't see those tools appear, that's a sign the chart isn't currently selected. Click again right on the chart's edge, rather than on a single bar or slice. With the chart selected, go to the Chart Design tab on the ribbon. Depending on your version of Excel, it may appear as Chart Design or simply Design under Chart Tools, but the idea is the same. This is where you control how the chart looks and what it displays. If your Excel window is narrow, some options may be tucked into a gallery. Expand it so you can see all the available designs. Now, look through the available designs and choose one that includes percentage labels. You'll see thumbnail previews of styles and layouts. Many of them show little percent signs or sample labels right in the thumbnail. Hovering over a thumbnail gives you a live preview on your chart, which is a great way to confirm you're picking the one that displays percentages the way you want. When you find a design that shows percentages clearly on the chart, click it to apply. Excel will automatically add the percentage labels where the chart type supports it. For example, pie and donut charts typically display each slice as a percentage of the whole, which is perfect for showing proportions. Some stacked chart designs will display contributions in percentage terms as well. If you don't immediately see a style with percentages, scroll through the full set of designs or widen the Excel window to reveal more options in the gallery. Take a moment to review the result. Make sure the percentages are easy to read and align with what you expect from your data. If the chart looks crowded, consider enlarging the chart area so the labels have room to breathe, or choose a cleaner design that emphasizes the percentages without extra decoration. And that's it. By selecting your chart, opening the Chart Design tab, and picking a design that shows percentages, you can transform your data into a clear, percentage-based visual in just a few clicks.